younger buddies over here. All the very best. Plan something. Don't be panicked. Tension avakandi. Be relax. Calm. All the very best. And thanks for coming over here.
We are overall we have around 1,000 plus employees. Currently we have openings for around 4 location. This openings for Salesforce developer position. Pranavi, give me a brief introduction about yourself.
My name is Pranavi. I have completed my BTech in Computer Science Engineering.
Hi, this is Ashok from Abhiram IT Solutions. We are located at US, UK, Bangalore and Anantapur. So we are recruiting people for Salesforce developer positions. Today we conducted drive at Teks Academy. We got very knowledge people in a Teks Academy. Teks Academy provided very good hospitality and very cooperative.